Welcome to the in front of me Nokia G22, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So what we got here, this is the protective silicone case in clear color. Also we got here some paperwork like the quick start guide, the safety guide, and the warranty card. Also we got here the same eject tool and also the USB the Type-C cable. So that's it, that's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.